Hey guys, so I thought I would take you with me through the car wash because why not? It's kind of freaky. We're in a shower of suds at the moment. I figured I just got finished with my dental cleaning, so why not clean my car? Usually my husband takes the car for the car wash, but he's busy. And on his days off, he's taking his car to get the oil changed and all of that maintenance. So I'm a self-sufficient woman when I need